missed you.
No, open the door!
Come here.
Oh.
Here we go.
Hi, baby. Wait, guys, I missed it here. Hey, 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 hey. Guys, there's a corn festival. Oh my god, this is so cute. There was apple, there was so much. Oh my god, this is so adorable. There's like a corn festival thing, and look at all the food in here. It's so cute. Okay, let's go, let's go. Come on, vlog, follow us.
There's one of my corn costumes. You know why? I want to be in a corn costume now. That'll be me next year.
Wow. Oh, these are our contestants.
Yes.
Eating 5 cobs of corn.
Yes! He's in a corn costume. We're front row.
Excited to have everyone here. And we'd like to introduce, to my left, your right, our executive sous chef here at Western, Andrew. Andrew's actually going to show our
cob of corn. This is how it needs to look. If it looks like this, it is incomplete. And if it looks like this, it's just weird.
No, he still has to finish off his other one. Come on, Kelly! Come on, Kelly!
Oh!
Yes!
Hey!
Yes!
Hey, come on!
Yes! Yes!
You got it! You're not! Look at it!
You have stuff on there?
Come on! Come on!
We're going to check your cobs of corn and make sure they're clean as a whistle.
They are!
Period. Hello friends, so we're on our way, we're going to a birthday dinner.
Gang,
Story, I thought Simone was leading me the way to the bus station. No, we're walking there. I totally thought we were busing there.
We're walking the whole way?
We're walking the whole way from our residence to another. But that is okay. Fit check.
That's just life.
That's just life. We don't mind a little march.
Exactly, a little march. Okay, ready? It goes, kids with the tool reaching past their hand. Every medium sends us understand. Got wires for brains being reframed. New environment changes the game.
Media
shapes you.
Can't go wrong. We live here with pride. It's the place we all belong. S-A-U-G-E-N, S-A-U-G-E-N for the M-A-L-A.
Hey! Keep going! Birthday bitch! Where are we? Divvy's? Oh!
Okay, regular?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Simone's excited.
Aww. That's so funny.
Yay!
Oh!
I was just saying that.
guys, the Shein haul has come. This isn't even my stuff. And I'm gonna get these. Hey guys, I'm with Piper and we're at District. We just found out we have lots of mutuals.
What the fuck?
And we're getting ice cream we have a unique ice cream flavor. Can I get a picture of the wall? This is my vlog.
No way.
Yeah, okay, let's oh, you already ate some? No. Okay.
Here, I
Okay, 3. Oh god.
I think I just have one for you. Same.
Oh wow.
That's good.
She's delicious.
She is delicious.
Wow. Me and Piper are still shopping. Here we are.
Probably 300 and looking for something.
We're trying to find our Halloween costumes, guys. It's just not working. You wanna see me a man?
I hate that.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Guys.
Oh, went to Birds, then we went to...
This is our dawn.
Is this your first time going to a bar legally?
I only go to the bars
Yo!
legally. First time to the bars in general.
Are you serious? He's on camera, guys, so he's lying.
Hey guys, it's raining really bad, but we're on our way to Chapter and they think it's our big little reveal. And I'm lashless. And I'm upset. We got hints.
Mine are about the exact same.
And they're going to our place. I don't actually have my hint yet.
I'm actually so hungry. Can we get food?
Yeah, ask your bitch to get food.
My name is Kayla, and I think my big is gonna be Lorena. And I have to go to international affairs. Who do you think your big's gonna be?
I think my big is gonna be Alice, and I don't have a clue yet. And none of my clues point to her, but that's just who I think it is.
Okay. Who do you think your big's gonna be?
Hannah.
Okay. To help out, here's what you'll do. Meet me where the coffee brews at UCC Starbucks. That's the place. But remember,
Oh,
there's
that's
tues, so
easy.
search the phrase.
Oh, I'm scared. We're all
the same Starbucks order. Want to meet there?
Ah! Okay. Hey guys, this is my group. We're all going to the same place.
Wait, you have the camera going?
Yeah.
No way. I've been wanting one so bad.
Yeah. Hey guys, we had to do a little quick Starbucks run because, yeah, we're gonna go find our bigs right now, but I'm scared. Okay, here we are. There's literally people watching us. They're crouching. Go me! Ah, shut up, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god. That's not us.
Oh my god. Thanks, babe. Get the Oh, okay, we gotta keep going.
Where are we going?
That way.
Let's go.
Aww. Okay, we still haven't found our people. Go this way, they're in there. I'm scared. Oh my god. Bro. Are we? Bro, are we dead? I got this in my other basket. I got that sign. I got this thing of candies, more candy. Yeah, that was in this box. Okay. She's going to take a shower. Party. Is this party? What? Can you play Worth It, please? In this party, and this girl's looking dumb. Hey, skinny jeans on, and I know my hand.